Hello guys, it's me Appu from Appu's World with a brand new video of unboxing electronic kitchen scale. As you can see from the title below of the video, I think you click that video or something. We can see the name here, electronic kitchen scale, looking good and clear position. And when we look at the back, we can see specification. We have an LCD display, capacity, and I bought 10 kilo into 1 gram or X, I don't know. We have some features and it includes battery. It is 2 AAA battery. I bought it from Flipkart. So let me take my knife or cutter, utility cutter, thermocol cutter. There are many names for it. You can call it any name. So let me cut it. We need to cut it slow because you can see the packaging is good. We can see 2 batteries and our product. I will talk about it later. And then you can see the instruction manual of that thing, specification, power supply, operation, tire, switch off, unit exchange, overload, advice for use and care. I no need of that for me because I know, and something I don't know which I will, you can see in the video after that, or now you can see, I don't know. You can see the bubble wrap. It is looking good, but we cannot blow it, and this is the thing. So now it won't turn on because there is no more batteries. We didn't put the batteries. When we open the back side of it, we need to pull it slow or the front part will be broken and we cannot measure anything. So we can see the batteries, 2 batteries. It is a low brand or something. And make sure the batteries are placed in right terminals, plus, minus, etc. So we can see a blue light. That means it is working. And let me close the lid because if we didn't close the lid, the batteries will fall off and it may cause not to work it. And this is the thing. We can see 0. And let me measure my knife. It is 30 grams. You can see there. It's 30. When we press tire, it is hard to press. But when we press it, it becomes 0. And OZ, ounce or something, it becomes minus 29 because it is in tires. The shopkeepers use it to measure the weight of apple. And sometimes you have doubt how it become minus. And when you keep it, it becomes plus and increases, and sometimes you may mess with them and saying that I didn't get, I am messing with this thing and measuring thing, but first of all I don't know about how to do it, so I am messing with it. I am measuring my hand, etc. We can see I am messing with this for a few moments and minus thing, and my camera is out of focus, and now you cannot see, it is blurry. After that you can see that it will become 0 and 1 gram. So you can only put only 1 gram. When we put ounce, it will be 1 ounce. I think it is ounce. I don't know. I think it is ounce. Right. Yes, of course. And so guys, hope you like that video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.